Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Welcome to the next installment of Poshmark sales. So I've got 2 more days worth of sales. Let's see what I sold. There's some interesting items in here, so stay tuned. All right, let's get into it. So our first item is a ooh la la sexy red lace lingerie sheer baby doll robe. I paid $2 for those from a wholesaler. Unfortunately, on this particular sale, I only made $1.25. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you my earnings. That is not what it sold for. It actually sold for $6. And then I offered a discount just to get the thing moving and ended up discounting a little bit too low. So be careful about that. So $6 is what it sold for. I earned $1.25. I paid $2 for it. So I'm at negative 75 cents for my first sale. Let's see if we can get a little better than that. That is not a good start. All right, then I've got a set of 4 Hanes 8 extra large bikini microfiber panties. I paid $2 total for those 4 pair. $4.05 is what I earned. So I'm at $2.05 of positive profit on that particular item. They sold for $7. My earnings were $4.05. So remember, I'm giving you the number of what I earned after fees, after shipping, and then I'm taking the number away of what I paid for it. Then the next item I have is a beautiful women's dress, size medium. I paid $2 from a liquidation box from a local liquidator. $12 is what I earned on that one. So I'm at $10 of profit from that one dress. So we're going to add everything up, total the number of orders we have to give you a total profit. Then we have a pair of Cat & Jack new without tag size 6 fold over fashion boots. I earned $3.25 for those. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box, so $1.25. Then we have a Ava and Viv navy blue sweater. $7.05 is what I earned. $3 from a liquidation box is what I paid, so I'm at $4.05 of profit on that one. Then we have a pair of Cat & Jack size 6 gray fleece boots. $2.05 is what I earned. $2 what I paid, so a whopping 5 cents. Now on that one you might be wondering, why in the world am I willing to only make 5 cents after I pay myself back? Well, I want to get some money out of it, and they've been on my store for a long time. So if I can break even on it and get it off my store so that I can make room for something I'm going to make more money on, I do, okay? So with my old stuff, I'd gradually step it down price-wise to get it sold so that I'm not sharing the same thing over and over again and nobody's buying it. So I've got a pair of women's Poise athletic shoes, C9 Champion sneakers, 8.5. They look just like that. Aren't those cool? So I think I've got one. Nope, this is my last pair of these, I believe. But anyway, they bought them for $11. My earnings were $8.05. I paid $4 from a liquidator, and so I'm at $4.05 of my profits with that item. Then we're going to wander on down this way to this alcove set throw and booty black and red plaid 50 by 60 inch blanket that comes with some fleece slippers. Super cute. I've got 2 more left on my Poshmark store, so check the link in the description below if you'd like one. I made $3.25 on that, $2 from a liquidator box, so $1.25 is my profit on that one. So perfect time of the year to buy that right now. Then I have a 40 Double D Bally by Beauty Women's Unlined Underwire Bra. $1 is what I paid. $2.25 is what I earned. So another $1.25 in profit on that item. Then I have a Hanes Hunter Green sweater. $4.05 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid. So $2.05 are my profits there. Then this next one is super cute. It's a new with tags exhilaration black backless lacy halter bathing suit. Super cute with a lace detail on it. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. $12 is what I earned, so I'm at $10. And just remember, when selling swimsuits, this time of the year is a great time to sell them because people are still vacationing. because they can get it cheaper vacations on off-peak time, but you can't find a swimsuit if you're going to the Caribbean or something like that, or someplace warm. You cannot find a swimsuit this time of the year because the stores have all changed seasons. And so online is the only place that people can find them. So make sure that you're aware of that, and you can sell some off-season items for a really good price if you choose to do that. Then I've got this cool Star Wars costume. It's getting close to Halloween. People are thinking about that. $11 is what they paid for that costume. $6.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. So $4.25 is my profit on that costume. And I've got some more in various different sizes of that Han Solo Star Wars costume. Then, of course, I said ooh la la at the front end. Here's another ooh la la. Here's a baby doll, sheer lingerie, black and pink lingerie set. Brand new, size large, $1.25. $2 is what I paid. So, again, I lost money on that one. But I've got a lot for sale, so check them out. All right, then I have a Exhilaration sleepwear top, $1.25. $1 is what I paid out of a liquidation box, so a whopping 25 cents. Of earnings there. This is shortly after I did a lot of price deductions on some of my stuff, so I'm selling a lot of things that have been in my store for quite some time, which I'm happy to see because then it makes way for me to be able to share the more expensive items in my store. All right, I've got a pair of really cute 8.5 sandals. I actually just recently put these on. I got these from a liquidator. From California, and so I paid $4 for those cute Merona Elke, E-L-K-E slide sandals. I've got some more for sale actually on my Poshmark store, so check those out. This one is particularly an 8.5, and so $2.25 is what I earned. $4 is what I, no, this one is, no, I bought these from Bulq, so $2 is what I earned, so I'm actually 25 cents in the positive. I was thinking I got them from Via Trading, but I did not. All right, then I've got my fun USA full bling rhinestone hat. $2.25 is what I earned. $4 is what I paid for that one. So I'm in the hole, a negative $175. But I sold it and was able to move it. I've got some of those for sale on hookedonpickin.com for an actually a cheaper price than you would pay on the Poshmark site. So if you like those, check those out there. And let me know if you're interested in them. All right, then I have a pair of very, very cute. I actually literally just posted these a couple of days ago. Megan micro suede quarter strap heeled pump red. And so they sold for $14. My earnings were $9.25 and I paid $3 for them. So $6.25 is my profit there. And then you know me, I love my bundles. Right here is a bundle of 5 items. They're all undergarments, which I paid $1 a piece for. So I have a total of $5 invested in this bundle. Let me tell you what I got. Here's a lace razorback bralette, red with blue accents. Then I've got a lace crossback bralette, Exhilaration brand, sage color. Then I've got a push-up razorback lace bralette that's feather peach in color. Then I have a racerback wireless bra, 32 AA. And then another one, brush micro triangle bralette. So evidently this person likes to wear lacy ones because that's all the ones that they bought. My total investment was $5. $22.20 is what I earned off this bundle. That's why I love bundles. So I take my $5 off of the $22.20 and I'm at $17.20 of profit on one sale, and that's going to take me no time to ship. Then I've got this really cute embroidered, again, another swimsuit. Like I said, selling swimsuits in the off season is a really awesome thing. So a new with tags Massimo plunging backless halter suit with ties, $10.05. $2 I have invested. So I'm at $8.05 of profit on that. Only a few more things to go down this line here. Then I've got a Dana Buckman extra large gourdless, no, it doesn't have gourds. Gorgeous blouse with adjustable sleeves, $7.25. I've got that for $2 out of a liquidation box. So $5.25 is my profit on that one. Okay, no gourds in these sales on Poshmark, all right? All right, then I've got a new with tags NFL Teens Apparel Extra Large for New York, $3.05. $1 is what I paid, so $2.05 are my profits there. Then I have a cool idea, just if you can't get something to sell or don't think that it's worth it. This pack actually has 2 shirts of the exact same brand, exact same style, just different colors. One is pink, and then the one behind it is dark blue. So the style is the same. It's one of those tunic link shark bite styles. Extra large is the size. So I put them together. So I have $4 total investment in this, but $13.40 is what this one order sold for. So $13.40 minus my 4, I'm at $9.40 for that sale. Whereas if I would have probably listed those individually, they may not have sold, but because they were listed as a 2-pack and the main picture had the picture of both of them together, I was able to sell them for a much higher price. Then I've got a universal thread squash color, kind of a yellow squash color. $2 out of a liquidation box is what I earned there. It's a squash color top, ladies top. $6.05 is what I earned, so minus the 2, $4.05. So initially my numbers were looking a little scary with some of those negatives, but it's getting a little bit better. Then I have a 2-pack bundle of men's boxer briefs. So one sold for $9, one sold for $13. My earnings after fees were $7.05, and so I've got them here. Both of them are Goodfellow & Company brand. The only reason they are brand new, but the boxes were a little bit disheveled from the liquidator, so that's why I chose to sell them on Poshmark and not on the Amazon platform. So $7.05 is what I earned. Like I said, I have $1 a piece invested in those, and so $2 minus $7.05, so $5.05 of profit on underwear. So we sold some lingerie, we sold some underwear, and we sold a lot of swimsuits. And so some fun things that I sold that are really interesting on this Poshmark list. So I'm going to add all of this up and how many orders it is, and then come right back to you. All right, I've got my helper here, Faith. She likes to help me with the business, don't you? Mm-hmm. Okay, and she has added everything up. So how much did we make these last 2 days on Poshmark?
We made $94.80 for 24 orders.
24 separate orders. So shall we work on getting these all packaged up and shipped out? All right, awesome. So we're going to send these to their customers, and she's going to help me out with a lot of the packaging because she's my awesome helper. High five. Nice. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.